Welcome to the gateway of adventure and discovery. This is Maybunga Rainforest Park, a lush paradise where nature's wonders await. Be cautious as you walk these paths. The rain has just blessed the forest, leaving the trails slick and muddy.
Mabuhay! I am Mikaella and Reyes from BSTM 2B, and this is my parallel activity in Maybunga Rainforest Park.
Here in Maybunga Rainforest Park, the spirit of hospitality is as vibrant as the nature surrounding us. The locals are always ready to lend a hand, ensuring every guest feels welcome and safe. In Maybunga, you are not just a visitor, you are a cherished guest. The people here take pride in their heritage and their role as stewards of this magnificent rainforest. Now, let's head to one of the park's most captivating attractions, a magnificent statue of a dinosaur that truly commands attention. This stunning piece of art is not just a visual delight, but a symbol of the ancient story embedded in the park's very soil. Before we go around, let's go first in the admin office. Welcome to the Maybunga Rainforest Park Admin Office, the starting point for your adventure. As you step inside, you will find the staff at Maybunga ready to assist you with a smile. Their patience and hospitality ensure that every visitor feels right at home. Here at Maybunga Rainforest Park, you can maintain your fitness routine even in the heart of the rainforest. Expert coaches are available to guide you, ensuring you get the most out of your workout. They offer personalized training sessions to help visitors stay active and healthy during their stay. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, they're here to support you. Now, for our next destinations, the water parks in Maybunga Rainforest Park. Welcome to the water parks of Maybunga Rainforest Park, a haven of fun and relaxation nestled in the heart of nature. The history of these water parks dates back to the early 20s when the idea was conceived as a way to enhance the visitor experience while preserving the natural beauty of the rainforest. After years of careful planning and sustainable development, the water parks opened to the public in 2005. Spanning over the water park's acres, they have since become a beloved attractions for both locals and tourists. These expansive water parks offer something for everyone, from thrilling water slides to serene waterfalls and lazy rivers. There's no shortage of ways to enjoy the water amidst the breathtaking scenery. As you enter the water parks, you're greeted by the sound of laughter at the sight of the sparkling water. The anticipations build as you take the vibrant atmosphere. Once inside, you'll find a detailed map to guide you to all exciting attractions. The water parks are designed for easy navigation, ensuring you can find your favorite spots with ease. The water parks are a playground of possibilities where every corner reveals a new adventure. Although the park manager declined our invitations for our interview, but they said that the water parks are designed to blend seamlessly with the natural landscape. They use eco-friendly practices to ensure that the operations have minimal impact on the environment. Safety and enjoyment are their top priorities. Trained lifeguards are always on duty, and they offer various amenities to ensure a comfortable and memorable visit for all. The water parks of Maybunga Rainforest Park are more than just an attraction. They are a testament to the harmony between human creativity and nature's splendor. Come and experience the joy and serenity of these water parks, where every splash brings a moment of happiness. Now, let's go in Reyes Amaze. Venture deeper into the heart of Maybunga Rainforest Park when a thrilling adventure awaits at the Reyes Amaze area. As you enter, the Reyes Amaze presents an exciting challenge, inviting you to navigate through its intricate pathways and discover hidden corners. The maze is a place where fun and challenge come together, creating moments of joy and camaraderie among adventurers. At the heart of the maze stands a towering structure, offering a vantage point to view the maze from above and see where your journey has taken you. From up here, you can really see how the maze is laid out. It's like having a bird's eye view of all our progress. Adjacent to the kiddie playland is the Picnic Grove, a perfect spot for families to relax and enjoy a meal together. The Picnic Groves offers sheltered seating, making it a comfortable place to dine even in light rain, allowing families to enjoy the natural surroundings. In the heart of Maybunga Rainforest Park, the Kiddie Playland offers a joyful space for our youngest adventurers. This area is designed to be a safe and fun environment where children can explore and play, surrounded by the beauty of the rainforest. From swings to slides, the Kiddie Playland is packed with activities that ignite imaginations and encourage physical play. However, today the weather has turned, with rain making the grounds slippery. For safety, the play areas may be temporarily closed until the weather improves. It's important for the safety for all visitors that the wait of the area to dry out before continuing to play, as the wet conditions can be hazardous. As the day draws to a close at Maybunga Rainforest Park, we reflect on the adventures and discoveries experienced throughout the day. From the beautiful scenery of the water parks, thrilling challenges of the Race Amaze to the fun and playfulness of the Kiddie Playland and the relaxing ambience of the picnic roof, today has been a day of exploration and joy. The warmth and hospitality of the staff have made your visit memorable, ensuring that each guest feels welcome and cared for. Maybunga Rainforest Park is not just a destination. It's a place where every visit is an opportunity to connect with nature, challenge oneself, and create cherished memories. The Maybunga Rainforest Park are committed to providing a safe, enjoyable, and environmentally conscious experience for all our visitors. It's their hope that each guest leaves with a sense of fulfillment and the desire to return. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Maybunga Rainforest Park. Whether it was the thrill of the maze, beautiful water parks, joy of the play areas, or the comfortable of the picnic spots, we hope your visit was as memorable as the park itself. We look forward to welcoming you again to explore, discover, and enjoy all that Maybunga Rainforest Park has to offer.
Thank you for joining us here in Maybunga Rainforest Park. Let's work together to protect these natural wonders for future generations.